Hey guys, I know it's been a long time since I've last recorded, but I'm back and I have a bird whistle with me and we're going to test it out. But I'm not alone this time. I'm going to be doing it with Elias! He has his own YouTube channel. If you don't know him, he's from Gia and Cornelio. And then my sister. Okay, let's go fill the bird whistle with water. Alright, time for water. Water.
Now,
A little bit. Shake it. Okay.
Yeah. Shake your head.
No. Let's shake the bird first. Right. That's not working.
Do like this side to side.
Let's do side to side first.
Okay.
Let's see if it works. No,
do like
let's do
down to up.
Let's do down to up again.
Like
Yeah.
yes. Yeah.
It worked! Right.
Okay, let's go test it outside.
Let's go see if it works with birds and then
Okay.
they come outside.
Okay.
Let's
You're
go.
gonna be.
All right. Let's see if we can attract some birds.
Let's see. No birds. Oh, there's a bird. Where? I saw something like right there.
That's a bee.
Oh,
Alright.
my bad.
I'm gonna do it 2 more times, and if nothing comes, we'll just do. I'll think about something else. Nothing. Oh, there's a bird!
Oh, I see it. There's a bird. Look. That's a bird. That's a bird. Let's go. We got a bird. Yeah. And it flew away. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there.
Anyways, like and subscribe if you want a part 2. Bye!